Happy KO, Lawrence here. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use your Nord Stage 3 keyboard as a vocoder. Let's get started. So the first step is to open up your Nord sample editor. Get closer to the goddamn computer! God, how are they supposed to see anything? Take from here. If you don't already have the Nord sample editor, you can download it from nordkeyboards.com/software-tools/Nord sample editor 4. On the screen! Sorry. Once you have it downloaded, go ahead and open up the program. Then you go to Configurations and make sure that your output device and your input device match accordingly. I'm using the Solid State Logic S. Zoom out on my face. Get my face in the shot as well as the SSL2.
That's right.
I'm using the SSL2 as my input and output device. Make sure that it matches accordingly. Output device, zoom in on the screen. Right here and here. I'm going to be using mono. I'm going to have this box checked because I'm recording a mono signal. Normally in Happy KO videos, we encourage you to record things in stereo, but not when we record a vocal track. Drew, if I have to tell you one more time to have the camera on the screen, then you click OK. The next thing we're going to do is record a vocal track onto the Nord sample editor. To do that, you make sure that your phantom power is on because I'm going to be using the Gauge the Gauge ECM87 to record. Hit record, and then go ahead and record your track. You are! Hit stop recording. Focus the camera! Once you have your sound recorded, you can hit Generate and Transfer to your Nord. Right here. Focus on Generate and Transfer to your Nord. There you go. Click that. The Nord is now synchronized. So when you hit a note on your Nord, it should play your sample. However, I'm going to have this I'm going to have the root key changed. Drew.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
On the screen.
Sorry. Screen, right. Screen.
Okay, I'm going to change this to C4. That's going to be my root key. Now on the keyboard.
I'm really sorry about
now
that.
Now focus on the keyboard. On the key. I don't want to hear your apologies. On the
sorry.
keyboard. So now you can play your note. You are! The next step is to... Are you focusing on the keyboard, Drew, or are you fucking around? Hold down Shift.
Right here. Sorry.
Hold down Shift and move over to ring modulation with this knob here. You are! And this is the only one that seems to modulate the vocals. All these other ones, Drew? God damn it! All these other ones don't seem to modulate the vocals. They just play alongside it. But it does have one option on here called ring modulation that actually seems to modulate the vocals. And you can obviously do all the other usual stuff that you can with this synthesizer section, such as, I don't know, frequency. You can do the attack, sustain, decay, release. You know, all that stuff here. You can add effects to it. But the only one that I've seen that actually modulates it with an oscillator is the ring modulation. And for those of you who are up here, for those of you who, is it focused?
I think so. Hold on. Hold on one sec. Alright, it's good.
We okay now?
Yeah, cut it in.
Okay, cut from here. So if any of you know of any other solutions to getting different waves for oscillating on the vocoder, oscillating the vocals on the vocoder, go ahead and leave a comment in the comments section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Like and subscribe. Have a happy KO, everyone. Focus the camera! Okay, now that we have this